Hello, my name is Dave, and I work for the Good Weighing Practice Competence Center here at METTLER Toledo. For whatever reason you are using balances and scales, weighing is an essential part of your company's value chain. Therefore, it can have a significant impact on the success of your business. Are you aware that weighing can have a considerable influence on your product quality, regulatory compliance, and business expense? In order to help you manage your entire weighing program and to have a positive influence on these 3 points, in 2007, METTLER Toledo developed the globally recognized standard of good weighing practice. I want to explain how GWP works and why its principles will ensure you obtain accurate weighing results at all times. All balances and scales made by METTLER Toledo are accurate and of the highest quality. However, which one is the correct instrument for its intended purpose? The life cycle of weighing starts by evaluating your weighing process and choosing the right equipment. We link your weighing requirements to an instrument that is fit for purpose and document it by issuing the GWP recommendation report. Simple, right? This completes step number 1, selection of the right instrument. In step number 2, we assist you with proper installation of that instrument to prove that its expected performance is achieved. We will help you choose the installation pack that fulfills your quality and/or regulatory requirements. Finally, in step number 3, we need to calibrate the instrument. Calibration is a vital part of any weighing program. Using the Accuracy Calibration Certificate, we calibrate to assess the performance of the instrument at the location where it is being used. From the results of calibration, we link the device's performance with your weighing process requirements to ensure the instrument is fit for purpose. This helps you maintain worry-free weighing, assure compliance, reduce waste, and save money. To eliminate guesswork concerning what to test, how to test, and how often to test between scheduled maintenance and calibration, we offer the GWP verification service. The GWP verification service ensures long-term consistency based on a risk assessment. We can perform GWP verification on all equipment, whether it is new or already installed, METTLER Toledo, or any other manufacturer. Based on your weighing process risk, we will establish an ideal testing program and calibration frequency to assure accurate weighing results at all times. In addition to maintaining consistent quality, GWP verification will help you meet regulatory requirements and cost-saving initiatives with one audit-proof document. Thank you for listening. I hope you encounter the full value of the GWP program in the near future. It just makes sense.